What is up, you guys? So today I have some free money that I wanted to give to you. Okay, well, not me personally, but some banks I know have some amazing cash bonus sign-up offers that you could easily churn for a profit of $1,750 in just a couple of months. Bank churning, as they call it, is the process of parking your reserved cash into a new bank account for just a short amount of time while still acquiring the sign-up bonuses that these banks like to offer. This, of course, is ever changing with new bank offers every quarter, but can be a quick cash grab and will only take a little bit of your time to recoup these offers. Now, almost every bank has a sign-up bonus, but don't worry, I've done the legwork for you and picked the best ones that won't require too much on your part. So if you're looking for just one bank to sign up with, I'll let you know which one that should be, and if you're interested in doing all of them, then you would be making that $1,750. Now here is where I normally stick in a funny joke to try and make you laugh, but this is serious, everyone, all right? It's 2020 and everybody's just having way too much fun out there, enjoying themselves and taking it easy. Nobody's getting serious with their finances or investments. Oh wait, that was 2019. Yes, things are crazy right now in 2020 and a lot of people are out of work, struggling to make payments, waiting on stimulus checks, so why not spend our time claiming bank sign-up bonuses, right?
Yeah, pretty much.
Oh, by the way, every bank bonus offer I cover today will be linked down in the description below. So first, I will get the best sign-up bonus out of the way if you're looking to just open just one account. So since I'm doing you a solid and putting this up front, please stay through the whole video to help the algorithm. Just throw me in the corner while you open this bank offer in another window. So the offer is going to be a $200 bonus from Chase Bank. Now, the reason I put this bank on the top of the list is plain and simple. You open the bank account, you set up direct deposit, and you get $200 within 10 days. It's quick, it's easy, it's $200 for maybe 10 minutes of your time. This offer is valid through October 10th, 2020 through the link below, and they do usually have this offer for a short amount of time. So if you're watching this after October 10th, I will update the link with their most recent offer, which would probably be something similar to this one. Now, wish there was more to explain here, but that's basically everything. So the next banks I will be going over do have larger bonuses, but there is more qualifying activities that you have to hit to get them. And that is one of the main reasons I put Chase at the top here. The second bank I'm listing is going to be BBVA online checking account. So the bonus does go up to $250 here with BBVA, but there are a couple of more things that you have to do. Firstly, if you want to earn $200, it's fairly comparable to Chase, as all you have to do is open the account and receive qualifying direct deposit of $500 or more. Just one, or you could do multiple. To receive the additional $50, they want you to open another account, this, of course, being a savings account, and deposit and hold a balance of $1,000 or more. So in total, you can snag that $250 bonus by October 31st, 2020, and just like all the accounts, I will update any new offers they have into the link down below, which may be better. The third bank on the list is going to be the TD Bank Beyond checking account. We're moving up here, everyone. We were at a $200 bonus, then a $250, and you guessed it, now it's a $300 sign-up bonus. So here's how it works. You must be a US citizen and apply for the offer online, and you must receive direct deposits totaling a minimum of $2,500 within the first 60 days. Now, one of the drawbacks to this bank is they typically charge a monthly maintenance fee of $25, which you can avoid two ways. One, by having $5,000 in monthly deposits, or by carrying a minimum daily balance of $2,500. So luckily, if you're going for just the sign-up bonus here, then you can easily get in and out of this bank within 60 days and with your bonus. So last up is one of my favorite banks, and it's HSBC Direct. This is by far the largest sign-up bonus at $600 with an opportunity for an additional $450, totaling over $1,000 in sign-up bonuses. So to earn this $600 sign-up bonus, it's very simple. You open the online checking account, set up direct deposit, and the $600 is yours. All right, it's not that easy, but you're going to set up direct deposit, except the way you're going to earn the $600 bonus is based off of a 3% cash back on your deposits capped out at $100 per month for 6 months. So just have direct deposit set up of $3,333 into your account for 6 months and you get $600. Now to earn the additional $450, you would have to make a monthly direct deposit from a third party of $5,000 or more a month for 3 consecutive months. And 8 weeks after the 3 months, you'll get the money. And that's it. 4 bank accounts, $750, or at least a couple $100 extra in your account. Now, what about making money? Well, I have tons of other videos covering advertising, sales, and side hustles that earn you a fair amount of money. And if you're interested in making money like I do, don't forget to check out my Photo Booth Accelerator course below, where I teach you everything you need to know about opening a photo booth, a photography business, or a DJ business, and make a couple extra $1,000 a month doing it. And no, you don't need a lot of money to do it. It's very affordable, and with my technique, you don't even need to purchase a photo booth starting out, so that's great. Now, it's not for everybody, and it's aimed for new entrepreneurs looking to start a service-based business, especially in photo booths. Now, speaking of work, I gotta get back to it, so I'll see you guys later. All right, bye.